Okay, before anybody says anything, I had my wisdom teeth out, so I look like a chipmunk. But this video is something, once again, that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. I have my trusty Billy Sargent here to help me, even though Billy he works on trailers, so he doesn't know how to work on vehicles. So I don't know if you guys know, but I did buy a winch. Too much sauce. I bought this winch in maybe, fuck, I don't remember when I bought it, but it's mounted on a 3-inch receiver. So I can't use that on my front bumper. So I finally had enough money, I bought a winch plate. My plan is I'm gonna get it mounted, do everything I need to do to get it mounted, hopefully all goes well. And I'm gonna go to the hardware store and get the proper cord that I need to wire it up to the battery. I suck at one hand opening shit. You are an amateur. What's in the box? Styrofoam. That's what we ordered. Styrofoam? Yeah. There we go. Alright, so we got instructions that we're probably supposed to be in the bag. Okay. And then we got some hardware. We'll learn what those are for. And then we got a big plate. But yeah. You know how to stop filming?
No.
And see how the numbers are there?
Hell yeah, we're recording, bud.
Now, the fair lead is not pretty. I know it's very rusty. And I'm hoping, for the love of God, that it lines up. And I don't think it does. I don't think, oh wait, oh no, there's second hole, mint!
Your noodles are ready.
Thanks, Mom. These are nice and tight. Oh, I hate Torx bits. Oh, I'm gonna shit my pants.
It's a persuader.
Get out of my fucking way.
I think your battery might almost be dead.
See, the thing is I've taken these mounts off before.
I'm not talking
When I put the bumper on.
You've taken the mounts off before?
Like these, yeah, like the frickin' hooks.
These little cool hooks?
These cool hooks here, yeah. I need a little socket to big socket adapter. You having a fun time with that camera? Me trying to find fucking tools. You ever seen a socket snap in half?
Nah.
Take a look at that, YouTube.
What's so funny?
It's a snapped in half socket.
I know.
I can't figure this out. Piss off! I'm trying to do shit. Is that tightening or loosening? Billy, stop blowing vape
Righty
tricks.
tight. You're tightening it.
Wrong way, wrong way. No, right way.
Billy, do you even know?
Ready? Tighten that, please. So I learned how to use the sink. Oh yeah, you're going.
A sink?
Oh yeah, you're going, Ty. Keep going.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah, wait.
Why'd you have to use a sink? Righty tighty lefty loosey.
To the knob thing.
Oh,
There's two knobs.
Yeah.
One for hot, one for cold.
Well,
Why
are
do
you
have
just talking or are you even filming?
No, I'm filming. Yeah.
Jesus! Fuck!
See? It just watched that. YouTube just watched that.
Oh, that was pretty tight.
Nice.
Oh,
You snap it.
I think so.
Oh yeah.
Shit. Well, now we're really up shit's creek.
Hold on, you snapped it inside it?
Yeah, it's inside the frame.
Oh no.
Now what?
Well, I'm gonna use an impact on the other ones and see if that'll work. Okay, we have had a lot of shit go wrong. So inside, I have my bumper off. inside the frame, it's a mess in here, there are the threads that hold your bumper to the frame. Well, they broke. So I got this one tacked in, so everything should line up. But this one, on the other hand, I don't even know where it is. This one. I think I gotta make a new plate. So I gotta get a new one of these made with nuts tacked onto it and then tack it into the bumper. And then hopefully I can get everything mounted. I gotta take the winch back off the plate because I gotta put the fair lead on because I forgot the fair lead. I had to drill into the winch plate to get the winch to fit on the plate. It's just been a disaster. It has been a goddamn disaster. I don't know if it's because the winch is a different bolt pattern than the winch plate. I don't know. I don't know. So I got this whole new piece fabbed up. I got it sucked down right now. I'm really hoping that, because I'm sucking it down with the hook so it's aligned properly, and I'm hoping once the bumper goes on and then the winch plate goes on and then the hooks go on top of all that, that everything still lines up, because then if it doesn't, I really don't know. I really have no idea. Here we go. Well, my card just, my memory card just like fucked off on me. I have the bumper mounted. Now I gotta take the sway bar caps off and then put these little spacers in there and then hope that my card doesn't corrupt again, because it just corrupted the file that I just filmed. My camera took a bit of a poop on me last night. I've been struggling with batteries. I had 6 batteries. I had 2 Canon ones and 4 knockoff brands. I lost 2 of them, so I've been literally running on 4 batteries when I run 2 in a camera at a time, so keeping them charged is difficult. I literally just got home from work, went inside and ordered 6 more batteries and 2 more chargers because I clearly can't fucking keep on top of it. But I got everything mounted. The plate worked except this one. I had to jam a screwdriver in because it fell off the plate in the bumper. So I jammed a screwdriver in this little hole and tightened up. There's a nut in here, so everything is sucked down solid. I got new bolts for my sway bars because the other ones were junk. The only thing I have left to do is I have to power it. Now I have this big fuck off toggle switch. So what I'm gonna do is run about 18 inches of wire to the toggle switch so it'll be live all the time, and then the rest of it to the winch. So if anything from the winch to the toggle switch gets abraded, I think that's the word, when I'm wheeling or whatever, then it's not gonna mess up the winch and the battery and send sparks everywhere and do whatever, because it'll be switched off. The amount of bolts that I keep in my cup holders is unreal, and I should not be doing it. I also got new bolts for the bottom of my bumper because those are junk anyway. I hope these are the right thread pattern. So these are the old, oh my god, I've been in manual focus the whole time, I'm sorry. These are the old junky ones, and these are the new, better ones. I got this weird bracket thing made up. This is my toggle switch. So I'm gonna be mounting this on the inside of the firewall. I figured out how I'm gonna do this. I had a very hard time with it last night. But I got this all set up. All I gotta do is bolt this to the inner fender, run the power to the switch, power from the switch to the battery, ground it, button it all up, and we should be winching. That's the plan. All right, so this is what I got set up here. So that's on, that's off. I got it bolted through the fender. I got the terminals on the back that are already running the winch. I know the winch works. I have it grounded, the block down in here. So now the question is to fire the Jeep up, or at least turn the auxiliary on. I can't do it for long because I know it'll like right fuck up my battery. But wait, that's close. It works. Good. I only have some small things to button up. I just got a couple more bolts that got to go in, but other than that, it works. I'm stoked. I'm so happy. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna play. Hopefully, I'll be able to bring you guys along. If not, make sure you follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, all the stuff that's linked in the description. I'm stoked. I'm happy. Hope you guys are liking the videos coming out. There's gonna be a lot more on the Jeep because it's now starting to turn into winter, so I'm gonna be able to do a lot more because it'll be parked. Other than that, I'm gonna go enjoy the night, and I'll see you guys next time. Boosh!